What's up everybody and welcome back to Two Dope Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a creamy surf and turf pasta. Let's start out by seasoning our steak with a spicy steak seasoning. I'll be sure to put the measurements in the description below. We're going to now go ahead and put about a stick and a half of salted butter in a pan, and we're just going to go ahead and basically butter fry our steak. And when I say this comes out amazing, it comes out amazing and it works for this recipe. Make sure you get the sides as well. I'm going to cook this to a nice medium. I put about half of that brown butter aside just so I can top my steak with it later. I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp in there now, and I just want the shrimp to absorb all amazing flavors in this pan, from the brown butter to the leftover seasonings. I've also minced up about 4 cloves of garlic here, and I just want to go ahead and incorporate all those flavors. Now I'm going to add about a half a cup of heavy cream. And you want to kind of cook this on pretty much like a medium. You don't want to cook this too high. I'm also going to grate some fresh Parmesan in there. If you want to use maybe the jarred stuff, that's okay. Just don't use like the pre-shredded cheese. It just usually doesn't work out as well. Also, you're going to go ahead and throw some fresh parsley in there if you'd like. Maybe some dried parsley would be okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just throw any type of pasta in there. I've decided to use some angel hair, but if you want to use bow tie, macaroni, if you want to use linguine, fettuccine, whatever you want to use, just use some pasta. Now that our steak has rested a bit, we're just going to go ahead and prepare to slice it. And I just want to slice it a little bit on the thicker side, just so I like it for the kind of pasta. But if you want to dice it up, you can do that too. And I'm just going to go ahead and start plating. I like to add my shrimp on one side. I like to put my steak on the other side. But if you want to just mix it all up and dice it all up, however you want to do it. But this is how I like to do it. And this is my creamy surf and turf pasta. Like I said, I like to finish it off with some of that brown butter. Alright, and I must also finish it off with a little bit more grated Parm on the top. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. Now just give it a taste. Damn.